Most men don't fall in love loudly, they fall quietly and deeply. When a man is emotionally attached, he won't always say it, but his behavior will begin to change in ways you can feel. These changes are subtle, natural, and almost impossible to fake, and once you see them, you'll never confuse mixed signals again. Men are taught to control emotions, not explain them. So when a man becomes emotionally attached, it doesn't show up as words, it shows up as patterns. His brain begins to link comfort, safety, and relief to one person. Attachment forms when he feels understood without being judged. That's why real emotional connection changes how he acts long before he admits how he feels. Sign 1. His emotional guard softens around you. When a man is emotionally attached, the first change happens inside him, quietly. The walls he built to protect himself don't disappear overnight, but around you, they start to lower. He begins to talk about things he usually keeps locked away: stress from work, doubts he never shares, moments where he felt lost, pressured, or unsure of himself. Not to impress you, but because being with you feels safe. Psychologically, this matters because men are conditioned to hide vulnerability. Opening up is not natural for them. It's a risk. So when he chooses honesty over strength, it means his nervous system has relaxed in your presence. You'll notice he doesn't pretend to have all the answers anymore. He allows himself to be human. He lets you see him when he's tired, quiet, or emotionally unguarded. This sign is subtle, and many people miss it. But emotional attachment always begins with trust, and trust always begins with emotional exposure. Sign 2. Your emotional state starts affecting him. When a man is emotionally attached, your emotions stop being background noise in his life. They become something he feels. If you're quiet, he senses it, even if you say nothing. If you're stressed, his mood shifts without him fully understanding why. Your emotional state begins to matter to him on a deeper, automatic level. From a psychological perspective, this happens because attachment creates emotional attunement. His brain starts reading your emotional cues as important signals, not optional information. You're no longer someone he talks to, you're someone his nervous system responds to. You'll notice he asks questions like, "Are you okay?" or "Something feels off." Not out of obligation, but because emotional distance from you creates discomfort inside him. Your happiness brings him calm. Your pain creates restlessness. This is one of the clearest signs of emotional attachment. Because when a man's feelings start to move with yours, he's no longer emotionally independent, he's connected. Sign 3, he becomes consistent without being asked. When a man is emotionally attached, effort stops feeling forced. Consistency becomes natural. He checks in, not because you reminded him, but because you crossed his mind. He shows up when he says he will. His words and actions begin to match, quietly, steadily. Psychologically, emotional attachment reorganizes priorities. His brain starts to treat you as emotionally important, not optional. So responding, calling, and being present no longer feels like work. It feels necessary. You'll notice this in small ways. He remembers details. He follows through. He doesn't disappear when things get busy. Even on stressful days, he finds a moment for you. This kind of consistency isn't about chasing or proving anything. It's about emotional grounding. When a man is attached, staying connected to you feels like stability, and he protects that without being asked. Sign 4, he starts including you in his mental future. When a man is emotionally attached, his future thinking quietly changes, not in dramatic promises, but in natural assumptions. He talks about plans that include you without stopping to explain. Next time we go there, we should try that together. You're already placed in the picture, without discussion. Psychologically, this happens because the brain does not plan with temporary people. Emotional attachment integrates someone into long-term thinking automatically. He isn't trying to impress you. His mind has simply made space for you. You may notice he considers your schedule, your comfort, your reactions. Decisions start to factor in how it affects you. Even small future moments begin to include your presence. This sign often appears before he consciously realizes he's attached. Because when a man sees you in his tomorrow without effort, his heart has already chosen connection. Sign 5. He protects the emotional bond, not just you. When a man is emotionally attached, he becomes protective in a deeper way. Not just of you, but of what exists between you. He becomes careful with his words. He thinks before he reacts. He avoids actions that could damage the connection, even when no one is watching. Psychologically, this happens because emotional attachment creates emotional investment. The bond starts to feel valuable, and valuable things are handled with care. He knows one careless moment could create distance, and that thought matters to him. You'll notice he tries to resolve misunderstandings instead of escaping them. He softens his tone during conflict. He doesn't enjoy hurting you, even unintentionally. This is the deepest sign of all, because when a man protects the emotional bond, he's not afraid of losing you. He's afraid of losing the connection. The deeper truth. What emotional attachment really means. Emotional attachment doesn't always look like passion or grand gestures. It's quiet, steady, and sometimes confusing, because it's not about constant declarations of love. Here's the twist. A man can show every sign of attachment and still pull back at times. It doesn't mean he cares less. In fact, it often means he cares too much. Fear of losing the connection, fear of being vulnerable, or past wounds can make him hesitate, even when his heart is fully invested. What this does not mean he isn't committed or interested. It simply means that emotional attachment in men often comes with caution, reflection, and protective instincts. Understanding this helps you read his behavior clearly and see the love behind the subtle actions. Emotional attachment isn't always loud. It's felt in the little things he does, the care he shows, and the consistency he keeps. When you notice these signs, you're seeing a love that runs deeper than words. Trust the patterns, not the promises. If this resonated with you, like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the hidden language of love.